For those days where you just want to snuggle up like this and have a huge bowl of mac and cheese, but you don't want to feel like you're going to poop your pants afterwards because your tummy hurts because dairy is hard, this is the vegan mac and cheese for you. Let's get into it. So into your blender, you're going to combine 1.5 cups of raw cashews along with your spices, which is 1/4 cup nutritional yeast, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper, along with 3/4 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, a squirt of spicy brown mustard, and 1 clove of garlic. Then you're going to proceed to blend on high speed, get your dance party in, because blending and dancing is mandatory. And once you have this blended, I actually added a little bit more water because I found that it was just a little too thick. So proceed to blend and emulsify until you have something that's like chunky and thick like a cheese sauce should be, but has some wiggle room. Then after you have a pot of boiling water thoroughly salted, you're going to add your pasta and cook as directed by the manufacturer. This pasta was 9 minutes for al dente. Then after it's done cooking, you're going to reserve at least a 1/2 cup of your pasta water, drain in a colander, and make sure that you get this thoroughly agitated so as to just not have a bunch of wet pasta. That's what the pasta water is for. You're going to put this back into your pot along with all of your cheese sauce and your pasta water. And the key part here is stirring this to evenly distribute the cheese sauce, but then once you have your pasta water added, making sure that it is very well emulsified. And this is what's going to really create that kind of creamy, real deal mac and cheese consistency with your pasta, and you can just see it like coats the rubber spatula. And from here, we're going to go ahead and plate up. So get a bowl and fill it to as much as you would like, but I highly suggest to the top. And then I spent entirely too much time garnishing this with some cherry tomatoes that were delicious, but maybe don't invest this. Like, I feel like I needed to get my micro tweezers out, and it was just a little excessive, but it sure looks nice. So after that, top with some smoked paprika and freshly cracked black pepper. And I don't have my Malden with me, but if I did, some flaky salt, and then enjoy. And there you have it, guys. That's how you make like the easiest vegan mac and cheese in the world. This takes 5-10 minutes, especially if you have the sauce blended. It's so easy. You whip it together. You can eat a buttload of it and not feel like you just ate a buttload of cheese. And it's really delicious. Shouts to Alex for showing me this recipe. You the real MVP. I definitely recommend cooking down the sauce a little bit with the pasta water because the raw garlic can get pretty hefty. And some people really love like the bite of raw garlic. It's not my favorite. So anywho, now we're gonna get in and taste test this and see how it compares to, I wish I had like a box of Kraft next to this so we could see, but anyway. Dude, honestly, like, I don't really need real mac and cheese anymore. This is so bomb. The pasta's perfectly al dente. Adding in, you can hear it. It sounds like mac and cheese should sound. And it's fire. Truly fire. I think like some roasted veggies in here would be really good. Roasted mushrooms, roasted broccoli. Or even if you did some of that, not for you. Even if you did some of that like fake bacon stuff, that'd be really good, some barbecue sauce. Really just think of this sauce as a base, and then you can do whatever you want with it. And what I want to do with it right now is eat all of it and stuff in my face. So I'm gonna go do that. Until next time, like this video, leave me a comment. What do you want to see next? Vegan food, takeout, things from my life, whatever. I want to share it with you. And the most helpful thing you can do if you like this content is hit that subscribe button. And I cannot wait until I see you again. Peace.